Welcome everyone. I'm excited to introduce you to the Audio Engineering Essential module. In this 1 month, we'll cover the essential topics and practices in the audio engineering that are crucial for musicians and music producers and mixing mastering engineers. Now, audio engineering is a vast field and it can be overwhelming. But fear not, we have carefully curated the module to focus on most important aspects that will truly enhance your quality of your work. For instance, as a music producer, it's essential to have a solid understanding on audio fundamentals. We'll explore what audio is and dive into different type of analog equipments, analog and digital consoles, microphone, recording techniques. You'll learn where and how to record as well as the art of acoustically treating a room for recording and mixing conditions. But that's not all. Throughout this module, we'll provide you with hands-on exercises and real-world examples so that you'll have a strong foundation in audio engineering and the tools to take your music to the next level. So, let's get started.